How much is the onboarding fee for Coinbase? Hey there, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the fees associated with using Coinbase. Specifically, we're going to be focusing on the onboarding fee. What is the onboarding fee? The onboarding fee is a one-time fee that you pay when you first sign up for Coinbase. It's a small fee, but it's important to be aware of it before you start using the platform. How much is the onboarding fee? The onboarding fee is currently $0. That's right, it's free to sign up for Coinbase. Why is the onboarding fee free? Coinbase is committed to making cryptocurrency accessible to everyone. By offering a free onboarding fee, they're making it easier for people to get started with cryptocurrency. How can I avoid paying the onboarding fee? There are a few ways to avoid paying the onboarding fee. Sign up for Coinbase using a referral link. If you sign up for Coinbase using a referral link, you won't have to pay the onboarding fee. Use a Coinbase promo code. Coinbase occasionally offers promo codes that can waive the onboarding fee. Sign up for Coinbase Pro. Coinbase Pro is a more advanced trading platform that offers lower fees. However, you'll need to verify your identity before you can use it. What are the other fees associated with using Coinbase? In addition to the onboarding fee, there are a few other fees associated with using Coinbase. Transaction fees. Coinbase charges a small transaction fee for each trade you make. The size of the fee depends on the type of trade you're making and the amount of cryptocurrency you're trading. Withdrawal fees. Coinbase charges a small withdrawal fee for each time you withdraw cryptocurrency from your account. The size of the fee depends on the type of cryptocurrency you're withdrawing. Storage fees. Coinbase charges a small storage fee for each month that you store cryptocurrency in your account. The size of the fee depends on the amount of cryptocurrency you're storing. Is Coinbase a safe and secure platform to use? Yes, Coinbase is a safe and secure platform to use. They take a number of steps to protect your assets, including two-factor authentication. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your account by requiring you to enter a code 1 from your phone or other device in addition to your password. 2. 1. www.bestbii.com. www.bestbii.com. 2. Fightcybercrime.org. Fightcybercrime.org. Cold storage. Coinbase stores most of your cryptocurrency in cold storage, which is a secure offline storage system. Insurance. Coinbase is insured by Lloyd's of London, one of the world's leading insurance companies. Is Coinbase right for you? Coinbase is a great choice for beginners who are looking for a simple and easy-to-use platform to buy and sell cryptocurrency. However, if you're a more experienced trader, you may want to consider using a different platform. The onboarding fee for Coinbase is currently $0. This makes it a great choice for beginners who are looking to get started with cryptocurrency. However, there are other fees associated with using Coinbase, such as transaction fees, withdrawal fees, and storage fees. If you're considering using Coinbase, it's important to weigh the pros and cons carefully. Thank you for watching.